What's up, guys? Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com. I'm just back with another quick reminder. The next SketchUp Fireside Chat series is going on later today. So if you remember, that's the series where they're bringing in experts to talk about different topics inside of SketchUp because we weren't able to have Basecamp this year. So last week's discussion with Daniel Tell was really great. This week we have a discussion with Katie McIlveen talking about SketchUp for woodworking. So I'm excited to see what this one's about. She works for a company that does a lot of custom woodworking, so I'm excited to see how they're incorporating SketchUp in their workflows. So if that's something you want to check out, I really enjoyed the one last week with the community and the way everyone can chat and everything like that, so I would love to see you there. Remember that is at noon today, Mountain Time, and you can just go to the link in the notes down below for this page. All you have to do is just click on today's presentation and click on Save My Spot, or click on this button and make sure that you're registered so that you can check that out later today. So I hope to see you there, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.